Hello everyone, this is Shekhar from SEKHAR'S English. Today I am going to talk about how to use would, a modal verb. Friends, there is a lot of confusion among us how to use would and on what occasions we have to use would in our daily conversation. Friends, without making any delay, let's get started. Friends, when we imagine a situation or action, we can use would. It means when we think of something that's not real, we can use would. Here the structure is would plus V1. Friends, just imagine you have a car. The car has become old. Now you don't like it. You no longer like it. Then you think of a new car, don't you? Then you can say, it would be nice to have a new car. Look at this. It would be nice to buy a new car. Here, be is V1 form. The structure is would plus the base form of the verb. So, it would be nice to buy a new car. You can say, it would be nice to buy a new car, but I can't afford it. Right? Let's go for one more example. Just imagine you are living in a city, but you don't like to live there because there is a lot of noise and there is a lot of pollution. Then you think of your village. Then you can say, I would love to live in my village. Look at this. Love is V1 form. I would love to live in my village. Then you can say using would. Shall we go for one more example? Right. Once again, just imagine you are working in your office room. You have been working since morning, since 9 o'clock. You are very tired. You need a break, but your boss is very angry with you because you have not completed your work yet. There is a lot of work to be completed. But you want to take a break. Then you can say to your colleague, I would like to take a break. I would like to have a break. Look at this. I would like to take a break. Here, like is V1 form, the base form of the verb, right? Friends, I think you have understood how to use would when we imagine a situation or action, or when we think of something that's not real. Friends, if you like it, please do share, please do subscribe, and please hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And please let me know your comments, your opinions in the comment section. And let's meet again with would part 2 in my next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.